Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. Friends, in this video, I am going to discuss TCS last 10 days preparation strategy. So please watch the video till the end because I will be telling you here. So what are the important topic which you should prepare? Friends, going through each and every topic, solving the random questions will never help you out. Okay, so you need to understand which topic is very important, which topic you should focus, and also what kind of questions are getting asked in the examination. So I will request all of you to please watch the video till the end. Okay, now friends, you are very clear that the examination is going to start from 15th of August onwards. Okay, now so today is 5th, so you have almost 10 days to prepare. This 10 days you have to utilize it at any cost, then only you will be able to clear. And I will also request, do not watch this video if you are not serious of cracking TCS examination, TCS NQT exam this year, or if TCS is not your dream company. Okay, now so if I will talk about syllabus and one more thing, so this is only for 2023 batch. Okay, so this TCS NQT hiring particular one not eligible for 2020, 2021 and 2022. So you guys have already filled the form and your exam will also happen soon, but I don't know the dates. Okay, now so if we'll talk about the syllabus, so here is the pattern, exam pattern, and then we will talk about syllabus. So traits, you will be given 1 minute. So traits is nothing but psychometric question. Okay, numerical ability, so 25 minutes will be given, verbal ability 25 minutes, reasoning ability 25 minutes, and then part B will be the advanced section where advanced quantitative ability. So you can say TCS digital, and then you will be having advanced reasoning ability, and then you will be having advanced coding. Okay, now so for the foundation A, for the TCS Ninja profile, so only numerical ability, verbal ability and reasoning ability will be asked. Okay, this much should be clear to you. Now I will tell you here, friends. So this particular is for the TCS Ninja role, TCS Ninja role. Okay, and this will be for TCS digital role. Okay, TCS digital role. So basically TCS NQT has two part. One is TCS Ninja and one is TCS digital. TCS Ninja, the package will be 3.36 LPA and TCS digital 7 LPA will be the package. Okay, now friends, we do not advertise how many student has cleared from our channel, but you can just go and check on the videos, like the comments of the students. So those who has cleared the examination. Okay, now so we believe in providing the quality. Now so you have to focus on numerical ability, verbal ability and reasoning ability, and this is nothing but your psychometric test. That means, are you a team player? Okay, so these kind of questions will be there in the traits. Okay, so are you introvert or extrovert? So these kind of questions will be asked. Okay, do you feel comfortable while working with the a team or your manager, your team lead? So these kind of questions will be asked. Now so friends, the strategy, so what should be your strategy? So know your weak part and work more on that. Okay, see, I have seen many times, so if somebody is not good at verbal ability, then he will not focus on verbal ability, he will focus only on the things which he is good at. Friends, see, you focus on the part which you are good at, but you do not have to ignore the portion which you are not weak. Okay, so which you are weak basically. So you have to identify your weak area and then you have to work more on that. That means you have to solve more number of questions from that particular area. Daily practice is required for all three sections. So it's not like, so if you have another 10 days, so you make sure that in 10 days you are solving the equal number of questions from all three sections. Okay, so equal number of questions from all three questions you are solving. Only important topics should be covered now. So friends, now you cannot go back and solve all the topics. Okay, so only important and scoring. Now what are the important and scoring topics? So that I will tell you. I'm not going to compare from the last year, I will tell you today, and after the exam you can match it. So that topic will be only important. Shortcuts are required to solve the question in exam. Yes, there will be time limit on the questions. Okay, so definitely the shortcuts are required, and you need to solve the previous year question as much as possible, because the pattern will be repeated, Okay, now whatever questions we are going to do today in this video, so that kind of questions will be repeated again in the examination. Okay, so TCS will be asking question from this topic and this kind of pattern question. So that I will take you through now. So if I will talk about important aptitude topics, okay. So aptitude means there is definitely nothing but numerical ability, okay. And friends, one more thing which I wanted to tell you. So in TCS, okay, calculator, on screen calculator will be there. So you will be able to use the calculator. So if there is something calculation like 1728 into 42368, then you do not have to worry. This calculator, on screen calculator, you can use it, or if it is a division or if it is a multiplication, anything, on screen calculator will help you to get that. Okay. Now, so if I will talk about the very important topic is simplification. Okay. See, simplification earlier, if you will go back to 2020 and 2019, so that time there was no question from simplification, or you can say hardly one question. But now if you'll see, so these are the question which is nothing but simplification question. These are the question which is nothing but, see, this is asked in on 10th of July 2022, recently, last month. Okay. So this is TCS ITP exam also happened on campus. So this is a question of that. So number system, your simplification. So these are the question which is very important. So simplification, number system, basically I teach inside simplification itself. So that is the reason I have not mentioned number system separately. So simplification and number system is very important. Then comes percentage, then comes average, then comes profit and loss, okay, then comes statistics, then comes SI and CI, then comes data interpretation, okay. And number system, okay, number system I have mentioned it here. So number system, SCF, LCM, probability and permutation and combination. See, you can leave this topic, time, speed and distance, because these topics are not easy. Okay. See, you can at least cover this topic first, and then only, see, I have mentioned here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So please try to cover this topic first. See, I'm not telling you leave edges, because there might be one question from age. I'm not telling you leave ratio and proportion, because there might be one question from that. Okay. See, I'm not telling you leave time, work, pipe and system. I'm not telling to leave it, but the number of questions will be less from that. And I have, see, there are total 24 topics will be there in the aptitude. Okay. But I have mentioned only few. And out of that, I told you around 8 to 9 topics, which you should and must prepare if you want to crack TCS examination. Okay. Now, if we talk about, say, reasoning, so reasoning, syllogism, that means you will be definitely solving the Venn diagram question. So syllogism, yes, it is a very important topic. Blood relation, important topic. Direction, important topic. Number series, important topic. Figure and factual analysis, important topic. And then alphabetical series, coding, decoding, data sufficiency, decision making and sitting arrangement. So all these topics are very important. If you want, you can leave sitting arrangement, because it will consume a lot of time, but you will be getting question from all other topics. See, figure and factual, it is VVI. Okay. Syllogism, it is VVI. Number series, it is VVI, because the questions will be there from here. So first you cover syllogism, then you cover number series, then you cover figure and factual. Decision making, one question will be there, but this is very easy topic. See, alphabetical series, coding, decoding, these all are very easy topics. So that is the reason I'm asking you to go through that. Okay. So this is your reasoning. Okay. Now, so friends, there are a lot of YouTube playlist videos are there. We will talk about now verbal topics, and then we will talk about the questions. But I wanted to tell you, friends, so on our YouTube channel, there are a lot of videos are there. Okay. So with respect to TCS, also, if we really want to prepare for TCS, okay, so it is TCS NQT you say, or TCS ITP you say. Okay. And if you really want to prepare, where this is a crash course. Okay. So this is a crash course. So crash course on TCS ITP you say, or you say NQT. Okay. On based on the new pattern, aptitude, reasoning, verbal, programming, MCQs also I have put. Okay. Because if I give you the content, and if you write Infosys exam and all other examination, and if the MCQs and programmings are not there, then again you have to buy the separate material. So I, in only one material, you will be getting all the content. Okay. And friends, I will also tell you, there are many the YouTube channels, or there are many websites are there where freshers are teaching now. See friends, if fresher does not have any kind of experience, how he or she can teach you? So you have to think, you have to decide it carefully, and then only you spend even a single rupees from your pocket. Okay. So you see, when they teach, you will find it out that how much experience he has and how he is teaching. and what kind of logics he can give. Because see, we analyzed 2 3 years 4 years paper, what kind of pattern was there, okay, how the examination was being conducted, what are the short tricks we can use. Because I have spent 10 years in teaching aptitude and reasoning itself. Okay, so you can just go through that, the link will be given in description. And if you really want, if you are serious, then you can get this course, it will help you a lot. So at least read, your content will be also visible. So aptitude basic videos, aptitude next level problems, reasoning videos, okay, and then TCS NQT, last year questions like 2021 2020 asked questions are there, previous year questions are there. So this will give you a lot of confidence, man. Okay, so just go through that. Now, important verbal topics if we'll talk about, then reading comprehension. So reading comprehension, 4 5 questions, 10 questions. If two reading comprehensions there will be asked. Sentence arrangement, error detection, sentence improvement, close test, and change of voice. So these are the topics, definitely you will be getting questions in your examination. Okay, these are the important topic. So till here, see, I will not tell you from this topic 4 to 6 questions were asked, from this topic 2 to 3 questions were asked. See, that number will not give you anything. The important topic you have to read first, and see, and previous year question. So as much as possible solve previous year question as much as possible, and then only you can guarantee your selection, otherwise no. Okay, otherwise no. Okay, now friends, so these are the question which was asked. So here question number 1. So as soon you see the question, okay, you can directly tell that your answer will be 4, because this kind of questions has been asked multiple times. Okay, now, so after seeing this value, many of you will leave this question itself. X is equals to square root of 12 plus square root of 140 divided by square root of, I mean 12 minus the square root of 140 whole square root. So this kind of thing like that you can read it. Now, so here you see basically what happens. So x plus 1 by x square. So a plus b square. So a square plus b square plus 2ab. Okay, then minus here. So a minus b square. So a square plus b square minus 2ab, right? Okay, now, so this is x square plus 1 by x square. One more time I will write it. So x and x cancel, 2 minus x square minus 1 by x square, and x cancel, minus and minus will become plus. Now, so this and this will get cancelled, 2 plus 2 will be 4. So if you know these things, if you have already read these things, then only in the examiners. Otherwise, in the exam, you will start taking the screenshot, sending in the Telegram group, and getting the wrong answers from the Telegram group. So that is not required at all. Okay. Then next question. So this is again asked in on 10th of July 2022. So if Z is equals to 5, then 1 divided by 1 minus 1 plus 5 by Z. So basically Z is nothing but 5. Replace it. So 1 plus 5 by 5 will become 2. So this will become 2. And then 1 minus 1 by 2 will be nothing but 1 by 2. 2 will go up. So your answer will become option D. So this was asked on 10th of July 2022. So you have to have a lot of practice, and then only you will be able to crack the exam. That you need to keep that in mind. Okay, so you need to solve more and more question. You need to understand, you do not have to get afraid by seeing the question. Exam will not be very difficult. Exam will be easy to moderate, and I know you will be easily able to clear if you only go through the videos of aptitude and reasoning what I have put or what we have put on our channel. Okay, and if you get this crash course, then nothing to ask, then you will be easily able to crack the exam. Now, find the HCF of this and this. Friends, you can give this question to any of your friend. Okay, so you can give this. Till then I will open the calculator. So but you can give this question to any of your friend, and then you can see how much time they are taking to solve this. Okay, so you can try it out. So if any of your friend is there, you can give this question, because here logic will work, not your friend. Okay, now, so friends, suppose here we have 20. Suppose here, because I'm going to use the logic, because I'm going to use the concept. Okay, and then 44. So 44, 20 20 20. Now if I'll put in a square root, then 10 10 10 and 44 44. So 36 square root will be 6, and 49 square root will be 7. So 44 square root will be somewhere in between. Now, so they are saying, Bhaiya, tell me the HCF. So HCF is nothing but the highest common factor. So we have one value here. Okay, now, so this I can write it like this. Now, what I can write it like this. Okay, so if they have given you 333, then definitely in that term we can try to find out the value here. Okay, now so we know this will be in between 65 or 66. So this I am assuming 6666 because HCF means highest common factor. So here we have 333, and if we have 6666, that means 6666 will be nothing but so two times of this, right? Two times of this. So this will become our highest common factor. Even we have one option also. Now, so what I will do, 666 into 666, and then I will see what is the value. So 4443556. Super. So this is nothing but 6666, which is nothing but 3333 into 2. So what is the highest common factor? So the highest common factor is 3333. So this you have to solve using common sense. Okay, this you have to solve using common sense, not with the concept of mathematics. Otherwise you will be keep solving, you will be start doing like this 4 4 4 3 5 5 5 6, and then start it by 2 3, and then find out the factor and then solve it in half an hour and then come back. So mathematics is not like that. Okay, so you need to understand the concept, basics should be clear, and then only you will be able to do well in the examination. Okay, and friends, there are a lot of questions are there, so if you guys are interested, I can do all the question for you guys, there is no problem. But this last 10 days you have to completely follow what I told. So you follow our YouTube videos of aptitude, reasoning, and verbal ability. You get our the crash course, and then see how you get selected in TCS. Thank you. And if you like this video, friends, please do share, comment. It takes a lot of effort in making the videos. Anyway, thank you.